Hey, it's bussesforsale.com here, taking a quick look at this very unique Freightliner. Has an Eldorado body on it. It's a 28 passenger, Cummins powered, Indianapolis Motor Speedway shuttle. Has an automatic transmission, Raycon 88 lift. Does have hydraulic brakes. Take a quick look underneath here. You can hear the condenser fans running there. It does have dash and rear air conditioning. We'll take a quick look at the inside too. This came straight from Indianapolis. Quick view of the driver's area. Again, it has 28 seats. It's one wheelchair position. Raycon 88 lift. You can see the rear air conditioner there. Blowing pretty cold today. For more detailed pictures, please visit us at bussesforsale.com. Thank you.